Open your browser and in the address tab type ajbot.chat. Once the web page is loaded, click on ajbot and below down there click on sign up. Then type your full name, type a username without space, type your email address, type your password, type your password again, then select your country, time zone. Then accept the terms and conditions and click on sign up. Once you've signed up, on your login page, type your email ID or username and type your password. And click on login. Now you've been logged into your account.